Now, if I were to have local folks get hotel rooms and meals and so on, and not issue a W-2, I made a fairly serious allegation as a layman. I'm not saying that it's the law exactly, but I could characterize it as tax evasion. If a company didn't do it and the employees, particularly let's just say that they're accountants and very knowledgeable of the law, didn't do it, there were no W-2s, no 1099s, essentially no accountability for this revenue that's supposed to be taxed, what would you do in that case?
In that case, Mr. Chairman, as pointed out in the Inspector General's report, you have to look at each situation case by case. And in that particular situation, you would look at the individual facts that existed in that situation. In the matter that you're referring to here is we now have issued W-2s to all of what we characterized as being local travelers after it was brought to our attention by the Inspector General and in their report that we had not appropriately accounted for all the local travelers,
well,
sir.
I appreciate that, Mr. Kuntz. I guess I'll characterize it to you. It was not in the tax year in which it was earned, so the employees did not voluntarily file as far as we know. I know that's not available to the public, but the employees didn't take it on themselves, knowledgeable people about taxes, to say, oh, I've got to pay taxes on this. The employer did not issue the required tax statement to itself, if you will. I characterize it as tax evasion because it can't just be swept under the rug. These were knowledgeable parties on both sides, weren't they?
Yes, I mean, IRS did not issue W-2s, and in fact, we found 7 people that they didn't identify that were local that actually traveled. So those would have been some of the ones that didn't get W-2s.